My flight has just been delayed again. I could still create this report, but I only have data from our main hub that I collected on site today. I need insights from production facilities in Ireland and France. What? Okay, I gotta go. Oh, hi Mark.
I hope we won't spend the rest of the afternoon here. How's your new job? Life sciences, correct?
It's biopharma. I just started a week ago. I have an important meeting ahead of me, and guess what? I'm empty-handed.
I see. Let me show you my recipe for data collection.
I don't really think it could work for us. Pharma has very strict data protection policies.
No worries. Mitsubishi Electric and Iconix Software Solutions have got you covered. Just look at the departures and arrivals board. It's so easy, even a child can understand it. But it is based on complex pieces of information from around the world. A similar concept can be applied to your devices in various production plants and how you present data coming from them. Imagine cloud-based data accessibility with safety mechanisms, which fulfill your industry standards. Let's say you have the IoT gateway set up. You've defined the broker, security, topic, message format, and data to publish. Now, it's not about figuring out how to push data up to the cloud. The Iconix solution will then just be configured to subscribe to that. But first, let's have a closer look at the process. First, you have to define the broker address, as well as the protocol, the server access, and the security mechanisms to access that server. Use your security credentials and move on to defining the protocol message, the format based on which you want to decode data and convert it into something readable. Next, choose which decoder you'd like to use and define the protocol as well as the topic. It doesn't matter how complex the MQTT data structure is. With a little configuration, we can dive into the subscribers and view decoded elements, which may include many properties, live robot statuses, and maintenance information. All of this data is automatically put into single elements, and those can be viewed in the Iconix solution. This is how you can switch to a cloud-based data collection solution, which will gather data from the devices placed in your production plants around the world. The solution to your problem is just the beginning. Iconix has a set of tools for visualizing data. Hey, I'm not done yet! And give me my tablet back!
I got to show it to my boss.